Looking for a wardrobe upgrade that does it all? Check out the BYNSOE Armoire Wardrobe Adjustable, a modern metal closet solution that's perfect for your bedroom organization needs. Right now, this stylish armoire is offered at a competitive price around $119.99, which is pretty reasonable considering the quality and versatility you're getting. The BYNSOE Armoire features durable steel construction, which instantly gives it a premium, sturdy vibe. No more wobbling or bending. Plus, it's equipped with 2 spacious doors, several drawers, and a hanging rail, so you can neatly organize everything from clothes to accessories. The standout feature: adjustable shelves, allowing you to fully customize the layout to fit your unique storage needs, whether you're a fan of bulky sweaters or delicate dresses. What I love about this wardrobe is its secure keyed lock, adding an extra layer of privacy and protection for your stuff. Especially awesome if you share your space or just want that peace of mind. The drawers glide smoothly, while the hanging rail is robust enough to hold heavier garments, and the whole unit stands tall at 72 inches, offering ample storage without eating up too much floor space. Assembly is straightforward, and the instructions are clear, so it won't take you ages to set up and get organized. Users have praised the BYNSOE Armoire for its solid build and roominess, noting that it doesn't just look great, it's genuinely functional and reliable. Customer reviews highlight the value for money aspect, especially when compared to similar wardrobes in this price bracket. People love how customizable and spacious it is, and the steel material ensures it'll last for years, not just months. If you want stylish durability and effortless organization, this one really stands out among standard wardrobes. Ready to upgrade your space? We share by links in the description box, so you can grab the BYNSOE Armoire Wardrobe Adjustable for yourself right away.